And now I will continue to hide all tails, and next I will start to iron and stretch all these beautiful elements. So these flowers are ready. I hide tails. Now let's work with these small elements. And these 3 elements are ready. Now I will work with these 2 flowers. These 2 flowers are also ready. Now I need to make one more from this beautiful color. So let's work. So I finished to make this beautiful flower talisman for 3rd kit. And now the next step, I need to iron and stretch each element by using steam iron. Now use steam iron and just stretch and open this element step by step, just to see beautiful shape of this element. And also we need to stretch